Mrs.Anderson's dual-sided Tart Tamper for forming professional-looking tarts, mini pies, mini quiche and cookies quickly and easily. Made from hardwood. Fits large and small baking pans, larger end measures 1.75 inches, smaller end 1.375 inches, save food preparation time. Create beautiful pastry shells in minutes, easily secures dough to bottom and sides of pan, neatens dough for flawless edges. Place dough into tart pan, dust end of tamper with flour and press dough evenly into the bottom and sides of the pan. Neaten crust edges before baking. Easy to use and durable. Won't scratch nonstick bakeware. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. Hand wash in warm soapy water as needed. Mrs. Anderson's Tart Tamper is specially designed to form beautiful tarts, mini pie crust, and cookies in just minutes. Whether using frozen dough or homemade crust from scratch, this life-changing addition to baking tools and kitchen gadgets creates dozens of professional-looking pastry shells quickly and easily, and helps cut food preparation time in half. No more rolling out pie crust that cracks or patching holes in pastry dough. It presses puff pastry, phyllo dough, graham cracker crust into a tart mold for mini cheesecakes, forms denser dough for pecan tassies, and cookie dough for shortbread cookies, pecan sandies and traditional Spanish cookies known as polvoron. Make an apple tart or fruit tart recipe, or tart crust for mini pies and savory recipes, like mini chicken pot pies, mini quiche, onion tart, mushroom tart, asparagus tart, and so much more. And it's easy as pie to use. For prettier tarts with flawless edges, simply roll a small ball of dough by hand until it's mostly smooth, then place it into a tart pan or mini muffin pan. Dust the working end of the tamper with flour to keep it from sticking, and press it down into the dough. Continue until dough covers the bottom and sides of the pan evenly. Use the tamper end to neaten crust edges before baking. Mrs. Anderson's dual-sided Tart Tamper works perfectly with both large and small baking pans. Larger end measures 1.75 inches, smaller end 1.375 inches. Made from beautiful hardwood. Durable and scratch-free. Safe for use with non-stick bakeware. Wipe clean with a dry cloth. Hand wash in warm, soapy water as necessary. Brought to you by HIC Harold Import Co. Top reviews from the United States. What a time saver. Every year during the holidays, I make over 100 mini pecan tarts for my family. They're always a hit, and I love making it for them, as they love them. The thing is, since I am not a professional baker by any means, and I used to always hand-roll and shape them, it would take me many long hours to bake all of them. This year, I discovered this tool through a Facebook video and ordered one here on Amazon to try out, and I will never go back to hand-rolling and shaping the mini tarts again. This Tart Tamper easily cut the process down a couple of hours, and my back and I were super grateful. Just make sure to coat it in flour so it doesn't stick to your dough. I would absolutely recommend this.